I'm up here getting ready for the winter, and I just figured out to, you know, put this curtain up, because usually I put it right on the front, and I got it right on the front. So I use one, and then it'll still feel like, you know, for the most part somebody can see in. But I verified whenever I put two up, you know, especially right back to back each other, you know, you can't see nothing, period. So to put this other one up here, basically can't nobody see in. Then give me a little added more cover so more light can get in from the front, and then still give me some added protection from the side. So excuse me, you know, but step by step everything get improved. I'm still figuring out, you know, to take out my passenger seat, and then you know, I'll adapt a back seat or a seat in the back for the passengers, but I can have more usage of that front area once I take out this passenger seat. So I'm about to do that, but you know, that's a future project. I'm reserving all my time and everything, so it looked like it's kind of junky, but everything's in order. I know exactly where you know what I'm doing. I'm about to refill my gray water, or excuse me, I would just empty my gray water tank, and I was sweeping the floor and whatnot, and then I just filled up my fresh water. You see it's about right here, and you know, you can kind of see a little bit more, but yeah, it's about right there. The way I hook this up is real simple, because all that is the fresh water hooked up to a pump. So I'm about to replace this pump. I got the whole kit. That's gonna be about $90 for the kit. It's already pre-wired and everything. So until I get that set up, I've been using, and mainly that's just gonna be like for, you know, kind of like regular water, just brushing your teeth or whatnot, not necessarily needing hot water. But at the same time, depending on how I feel like having things set up, right now I got this piece sitting on the floor, so I just, for the most part, I don't have to worry about nothing. I unplug it when I'm not using it, and then I plug it in when I need it, and that's a little bit quicker, so I won't have to hit all the lines up to get everything set up. So that's allowing me to, you know, use hot water a little bit more frequently. But all I do with this piece here, you know, it's sitting just like here. But it's sitting just like here. And I just come up here, just basically reach it up, twist it, and just from the dimensions of everything, how it naturally happened, I didn't plan for none of this, but it just naturally came that it fit perfectly right here, and right here, and right here. Everything fit perfectly, even to me choosing, you know, at different times, my trash can. Now my trash can fit perfectly right there, almost like I made it. I didn't set the dimensions. You know, it kind of played in. I did my best, you know, but everything is done up and it's pretty easy. So right now I got all my lines hooked up for my hot water heater, which is the hot tap piece from the Joker. And sheesh, let's get it. Oh man. Boom, 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 boom.